Hello, this is my first try. Anyway, to continue with the video of battery, pakita ko po sa inyo. Yan. Alright, we're back. Hello, I'm back and hello, this is my first try in vlogging. We're inside the 5-star hotel here in Taoyuan. Anyway, to continue with the video, the DAF trucks that you see here, all of the parts, all of it comes from Netherlands, and they're delivered here completely knocked down. Sabihin mo yung pyesa-pyesa, alright, and then this is where they assemble the whole thing. Yeah. This is the cab. And yung cab. And then here. Ayan. This is how the cab this is how the cab looks like. Ayan. Yun yung ulo ng truck. Let's see. Now this is how the truck looks like kapag nabuo na po. I'll show you. Yan. Kita nyo. Alright, we're back at we are now at the final assembly. Yan po, no? Dito na ho, as you can see, the trucks are already finished. Pero inaayos pa po yung electrical system niyan, yung wiring. At yan. DAF trucks are good looking trucks. Ayan. Maybe you're wondering or you think, gusto nyo tanong sa akin kung mainit pa rito. Well, when we came here in Taiwan yesterday, malamig pa po yung panahon. So, malamig po rin sa factory ngayon. But according to some locals, kapag summer daw ho, mainit din po rito. So, I presume, mainit din po rito pag tag-init, tulad sa atin. By the way, I forgot to show you the company that manufactures DAF here in Taiwan. They also produce batteries, and right now the truck that you see is equipped with a new lithium-ion type of battery. Pakita ko po sa inyo. Yan. Of course, if you're wondering kung narinig nyo na po yung lithium-ion, lithium-ion is the type of battery na ginagamit po sa cellphone. And this one costs a lot of money. Dito lang po sa Taiwan nila supplyan so far. According dun sa manager ng plantang ito, this will cost you around 70,000 pesos itong battery nito. Hello, I'm back and I'm inside one of the models of DAF truck, and this is a very very pretty interior if you'll ask me. See, the seats are very comfortable, and there's even a bed behind me. So that means if I am a driver and I wanted to take a rest, that would be no problem. Yan. Ganda ho ng truck. Parang pag nag-retiro ako, gusto ko maging truck driver na lang. Ayan. Ayan. This is a, by the way, this is a, I'll show you something. There's a new regulation here in Taiwan, wherein they require the trucks to have a monitor dun po sa kanan. Merong camera sa kanan, then you have a camera here, and then there's another one there, the left side. Then this is the screen, alright? So, kapag umaatraso yung driver, nakikita ho niya kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid niya. So, dump trucks are really useful and a beautiful trucks po.